What's up, everybody? I'm Albie13. This is a review of the SK61 mechanical keyboard. This keyboard features the Gateron optical brown switches, and you can see what's included in the kit: instruction manual. You have your keycap puller. You got your switch remover, extra caps that have, what do they say on them? Option, command, and control. And then you got your USB Type-C to Type-A braided cable right there. I'll show you that. Kind of see quality of it. It's pretty nice, but the ends are okay. Anyway, it's a 4-foot cable. I wanted to go over, just basically go over the looks of the keyboard right now. The case is really nice. Let me just show you a little bit. Case is nice. The gray keycaps and the red keycaps, so these are double shot PBT, and yeah, they feel nice and they look nice. The thing that stood out to me when I looked at this keyboard is the letters. I don't like the font on it, and it's really something that I didn't think would be an issue, but it is. I think this is just a mismatch of the fonts. And I just got to a different scene. So you will notice, yeah, the fonts I had an issue with. Another thing that I didn't like about this keyboard is the profile, the angle on it. So if I can show that to you. So it does have an angle on it, and you can see that, but it's not enough for me, I guess. So there are no adjustments. No, there's no, in a world now where you can get like a medium, like a first level, and then like a high second level adjustments on the feet. To me, that's important. I would like that higher. So that's an issue that I have with this budget keyboard. Here, let me show you the brown optical Gateron switch. You can see it right there. This is what I can say about the keyboard switches. I think they're a good value. And after I switched the keycaps to the mono price, the key switches felt really nice. The switches don't feel good with the original keycaps that the keyboard comes with, which is a shame, because some people will never change the keycaps, and I feel like they're gonna get a downgraded experience on what is a really good keyboard, but it needed me to upgrade it. So the nice thing about this keyboard is the lighting. It has a white backing on it, so the lighting glows and it looks like kind of like a matte. It's a nice glow and it's matte. Let's throw on some mono price keycaps, shall we? And now we have the mono price keycaps. You can get them on Amazon. The font is a little different. If you look at the font, particularly the A, you can see the breakup there, and the Q is a break in it, and the R is a little different. But it looks like, futuristic or whatever, modern. I think that this gives it a really nice look when the keyboard is off. But, however, I'm going to plug it in right now, if I can. Okay. All right, now you can see the color pops, and you can see the color in there. The white on white on white reflection is really working, and the keys themselves just really pop. So with the lighting, it works good. I think it looks interesting like that too. It's I know the lighting is in the center, but I don't know, it looks nice. I was going to talk about these keycaps. I don't have the information in front of me, but these are very inexpensive, but a nice quality. And I'll put a link in the description I'll just give you guys the names of the products in the description. But pretty much, I'm really happy with the keyboard. It just has some shortcomings. I already knew that I was going to keep the keycaps in there, so it actually worked out for me. I did my research ahead of time. And that's going to be it for this video. I just customized it. I guess there's only a typing test left. So I'll do that right now. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell. I'll be coming out with more keyboard content in the future.